Hello, alright, in this video I'm going to show you the fix, or at least my fix, for the center console squeak or creak on the 2014 Fiesta ST. So the first place I noticed it was actually if I pressed in and around this region here, or pulled just under the lip, I would get the squeak. Later I noticed that in this little storage area, whatever it is, you would just push down and you would get the same creaking noise. So I had paper wedged in here at one point, a folded up piece of cardboard, and tried keeping my wallet in here to try to squish it, and that didn't do it. So one day I just tore things apart and kind of traced things over to this side. So I noticed that, of course, this is one piece of plastic from the center console up here all the way down and into the driver footwell. So I ripped off this panel here. There's just a single plastic Phillips screw, like one of the molly bolts that presses and holds it in. So you just rip that out and this whole panel comes off. I'll do that now and be back in just a minute. Alright, so here we have the side panel removed. Be careful as you remove it. There are a number of these typical plastic clips that hold the panel in. You don't want to just yank the whole thing off and break them. It'll rattle and you'll have a new problem to fix. So just easy pressure along this bottom edge as you remove it. Likewise, there's one up here. But now that that's removed, you can see where this panel actually wraps around. And again, in my case, and hopefully this will turn out okay, I noticed as this panel came in, I just kind of grabbed this and gave it a pull. And as I wiggled this, I got that same creaking noise. So my only guess is, short of tearing the entire center console out, I can feel there's a bracket way up in here. And when I actually manipulated that bracket, the creak would occur. So this is part of the heater core. So what I actually have in here, and hopefully this will show up all right, I just got maybe a 3/4 inch cube of wood. Just jammed it up in here. So now it's actually wedged between the pipe and the plastic. And since then, probably 6 months ago, knock on wood, I've not had the creak occur. So hopefully this will work for other folks. And if not, good luck to you.